Chocolatey treats are something that almost never disappoint, but what's even better is if other foods were made of chocolate too, which is what's going on in this video.
Come on, Nellie, you first.
No problem.
Oh.
You can say that again. It's a camera, and something tells me it's really good too. It's made of chocolate. This is awesome. So, Suze, what do you have then?
Let's see. I got a camera too. A real one. How about I take a picture of you with yours?
Sure, why not? Ready?
Cheese.
Hey, that flash just about blinded me.
Really? What if I take lots of pics then? Smile. Come on, hit me with some interesting poses.
I can't see a thing.
Perfect. That means you won't see me stealing your chocolate. I was dying to find out what it tastes like. Just amazing. It melts in your mouth.
That was mine. How dare you?
Yummy.
I'll get you back for eating my chocolate. Get over here.
Oh.
Stealing from me was a big mistake, my friend. I won't stand for it. I told you it was mine. Delicious.
Remind me to never mess with you again.
Oh, I will. I'll take your picture now. You do look great. Now both the cameras are all mine. Cool.
I'm waiting.
Nice. A real crown for a real life queen. Just how it should be.
The chocolate one suits me just fine. It's much more satisfying than some old hunk of metal. And tons tastier. Oh, that's the good stuff. I have no complaints at all about getting this. Wow!
Really? Maybe you'll give me a bite?
No way! You've got your own. Eat that.
You know that's impossible.
Yeah.
It's made of gold, but I can put it on my head and feel perfectly pretty.
Oh, wow!
This is no ordinary crown. It comes with this fabulous dress as well. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale or something. All I'm missing is my woodland friends.
You're kidding me. Real birds?
Well, yeah, I'm the queen of the forest. Fly, my friends, fly.
They're so adorable. Ew, disgusting.
Adorable, huh?
I need a shower now.
Bye-bye. You take your time with that, Susie. I know what I'll do to keep busy. Okay, this is the perfect combination. I love chocolate, and I love crowns too. This is just amazing.
Wow!
Nasty little feathered creatures. I hate them.
Hey, where's my crown? Is that how it is? You took mine, I'm taking yours, and I'm gonna break it.
No, you broke the spell. I'm just as ordinary as you are. Why don't you look first?
Cool, a teapot. But not a boring old one. It's chocolate.
What does that mean for me? A teapot? Okay. It must be filled with something good. It's super dusty. What? Where did all those bats come from?
How old is that thing?
I don't want to know.
No. I hope there aren't any surprises in my teapot. Nope, I'm good. And it's wonderful.
You like it?
Very much so. It's phenomenal. And you know what? To make this even easier to eat, I'm gonna smash it.
Forgive me, Teapot. I had to do that, I swear. It was the best way to help me scarf you down.
Give it to me.
Why are you taking that?
Well, now that it's empty and all the nastiness is gone, I'm gonna stick all my pieces of chocolate inside
And make something new?
What?
What exactly?
Oh, nothing special. Just hot chocolate. It's time to get melting. Haha.
Interesting.
And there you have it.
Well done.
Now for the good part. I'm sure this will be insanely delicious.
It's so warm, and the aroma. I'm happy and toasty. I can't help myself. Give me a sip of that.
Put it down, Lily.
Hand it over.
Let it go.
Uh-oh. Ugh, I'm covered in chocolate. This looks gross.
Oh my god!
That is so not my fault. I'm innocent.
Actually, it's not all that bad. It's still chocolate in the end. So I might need to say thanks for pouring this on me.
Oh yeah, I love Hubba Bubba bubblegum, especially this much of it.
I have to agree with you there. This looks really promising.
What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Awesome. It just keeps going. But I'm sure I'll finish it in no time.
Is it good?
That doesn't even begin to cover it.
Goodness gracious, that's fast. How are you fitting all of that in?
What? I'm just a big fan of gum. There,
How
it's all
sweet.
gone, which means it's bubble time.
Ah,
Ready?
Is that all you got? Lame.
I'd like to see you do better. And I'm not done yet.
Uh-oh.
This ain't right. Phew. I was getting worried I was gonna pop.
If you're done, then I can have it my portion.
here we go!
Yum.
Exactly. I'm dying to eat it all. And that's just what I'll do. So tasty. I am over the moon. This is the best gum I've ever eaten. And now watch this. I'm gonna teach you how you're really meant to blow bubbles.
No!
I'm thinking that's too big. Oh, it's gonna burst. Where's my umbrella? Just in time.
Oh!
What the heck?
I tried to warn you.
What a mess. But it's a yummy one. So it's not all bad, I guess.
Fair enough. All this goo is something else.
Where's the food?
Don't ask me. Ooh, score. I love pizza. I adore chocolate pizza.
Cool!
I'm so hungry that I definitely won't say no to ordinary pizza. Yes! That's exactly what I got. And it's covered in pepperoni.
Mamma mia!
Oh my, the smell is putting me under a spell. Get just one piece of that, Lily.
I knew you were gonna ask. But
Alright!
Thank you so much. I didn't actually expect you to be so generous, honestly. You got so lucky. This pizza is killer. I'm really loving it.
What?
what?
I was saying it's delicious. I can do without the crusts.
Oh man, I'm left with only one slice. I was so ready to eat an entire pizza by myself. Fantastic. Not enough. It is what it is.
Since you're finished, I'll take that as a sign that I can enjoy my dessert finally. This is 100% guaranteed to be great.
Oh my god!
Like it? How are you gonna feel about it when it turns to liquid? Sort of like this. This is for my pizza.
What are you doing? You're ruining it.
That was the plan. So, tell me, how do you plan on eating it now?
Oh, I've got an idea. It's still just as delicious. This is heavenly.
Seriously? Gimme.
Hands back.
I'll try what I got. Susie wasn't lying. Yum. Craving more delicious and entertaining challenges? Then stick with us, my friend.